Hi guys, welcome to Practical Trader. I hope everyone would have started their own Demat account. If not, consider my previous videos for your reference. In this video, we will have a brief introduction towards the trading platform provided by SAS Online. Of the various platforms they provide, I prefer the Alpha application. You can download from the Play Store. Once downloaded, you will need to set up the login password and log in. In home page, you will have the indexes of Nifty and Nifty Bank, and they provide 5 market watch lists which can be customized as per your requirement. You may add the stock simply by searching. For analyzing a script using technical indicators, you may choose a script and select chart, where you could change the timelines and add indicators for validating your strategies. For buying or selling, select the option Buy or Sell. Here you can see Market, Limit, SL, SLM. Market is to purchase a stock at stock price, that is, whatever price the stock is trading. In Limit option, you can specify the price at which the stock has to be bought. Thus, if the stock reaches that price, it would be bought. The SL option, that is the stop loss option, enables you to buy at a specific price, and also you could provide a stop loss price for your trade in trigger price area. Thus, if the stock reaches that price, it will be squared off. For example, if you buy at ₹10 and you intend to sell it if it goes below 7, you could provide the 7 as trigger price. In option SLM, that is stop loss market price, you can put a stop loss and buy at market price. If we go further below, you would see CNC, NRML and MIS. You need to select CNC for delivery trades, that is normal trade where you buy and hold the stocks. With MIS option, you could avail the margin, that is, if you have 10,000 rupees and you will be allowed to buy for 70,000 rupees. But the margin varies stock by stock, and if you buy through margin, you should close the trade within 3:20 PM of the day. And the margin rate varies stock by stock. I provided the link where you could obtain the margin provided by SAS Online for individual stocks. While taking margin, the risk increases as the trading becomes intraday, and you should not do without keeping stop loss. For trading of futures options and currency, the NRML option is used. Below this, you will find day option, which means your order will be valid throughout the trading period of the day. If you choose IOC option, if the trade is not executed immediately, it gets cancelled. Now if you expand the REG option, you will find BO and CO options. BO means bracket order. Here you need to provide both targets and stop loss in absolute terms. That is, if you are buying at a price of 10 and your target is 14 and stop loss is 8, then you should put 4 and 2 respectively in target and stop loss area. In CO option, that is cover order, you need to provide only the stop loss. Once you achieve the target, you could close the trade by exiting the pending stop loss. If you use bought out or cover order, SAS Online provides higher margins up to 20 times. If you move to screeners option, you could screen the stocks using various preset criterions. Spend some time and get suited. And make sure you allocate some funds for some guaranteed profits. If you haven't watched the video on how to make guaranteed profit, please do watch. Thank you and happy investing.